Hello, my name is Colin Berkheimer, and I am the main model engineer for the Emotional Neural Networks project. Our project was developed to use neural networks in order to successfully model human emotions in response to linguistic statements. The basic idea was that I wanted to, as a project lead, create some kind of digital model of emotions that is more complex than what is currently commonly done in the industry, which is usually sentiment analysis. And our project differs from sentiment analysis in that it addresses a much wider, vast array of different emotions, such as fear, anger, trust, disgust, sadness, joy, surprise, and anticipation. I primarily, as the main model engineer, was in charge of creating models to be trained on our dataset. A lot of the work involved for this part of the project was in taking our dataset and then pre-processing it to get it into a form that can be used by the models and be trained upon. One of the major obstacles I found in training our models and getting working predictions going is a lot of the models were not able to be as complex as I would have liked because I did not have the hardware to be able to efficiently run them. A lot of the work done in the machine learning field is done using NVIDIA GPUs, and all of the machines I had were based off of AMD GPUs, and thus I wasn't able to use the GPUs to speed up the processing.
Hi, my name is Sarah Valine, and I was responsible for data collection. To start our project, we collected our data. Initially, I curated 1,000 sentences to be labeled by hand by us with 0 to 8 emotions: anger, anticipation, disgust, fear, joy, sadness, surprise, and trust. This gave us a way to start testing our models and see if this type of data would work for this type of project. After we determined that this was the best format for the data, I took the 7,000 sentences and I filtered them with some Python and then by hand. After I did that, I divided up our set of 5,000 from the 7,000 and worked with a couple of volunteers to label them, giving each of them 221 labeled with their name. In the end, after I cleaned up the formatting, I sent them to Colin for his part.
So this is the main page of the website. Constants: changing color makes the website more emotional, and the black background makes the tone of the entire website softer. And for the result page, it has the same style as the main page, using high contrast color and the green and red colors that users are accustomed to represent red and brown. So it's also for the human interaction. And for the About Us page, I used the floating card design, put the information of the group members in the cards. When the mouse hovering over the card will display more detailed information and with a link to the members' GitHub homepage.